Few dishes deliver a crunch as satisfying as Cantonese crispy roast pork belly. One bite, and the skin shatters like a delicate cracker, revealing layers of juicy meat and rich fat underneath. But achieving that legendary crispiness isn't just about the oven. Surprisingly, the real secret begins in an unexpected place: the refrigerator. Before cooking begins, good kitchen habits come first. The hands are washed under running water, making sure everything is clean and ready. Next, the pork belly is rinsed and placed on a sturdy chopping board. Using a sharp knife, the cook carefully cuts deep slits into the raw meat. These cuts allow the seasoning to penetrate the meat more effectively. However, there's one important rule: the skin must remain intact. The untouched skin will later transform into that signature crispy crust. After seasoning, the pork belly might look ready for roasting. But patience is essential. Instead of going straight into the oven, the meat is placed uncovered in the refrigerator overnight. This step may seem simple, but it plays a crucial role. The dry air inside the refrigerator slowly removes moisture from the pork skin. As the surface dries out, it prepares the skin for the dramatic transformation that will happen during roasting. In other words, dry skin creates better crackling. The next day, the pork belly finally enters the oven. The seasoned meat is roasted at a high temperature, allowing heat to work its magic. Gradually, the skin begins to blister and puff. Tiny bubbles form across the surface, turning the once smooth skin into a golden landscape of crunchy crackling. Inside, the layers of meat and fat become tender, juicy, and full of flavor. Once roasted to perfection, the pork belly is removed from the oven and allowed to rest briefly. Then comes the most satisfying moment. The crispy slab is chopped into bite-sized pieces. And when the knife taps the crust, crack! That unmistakable sound signals perfectly roasted Cantonese pork belly. So remember, the knife prepares the meat. The oven brings the heat. But the humble refrigerator quietly creates the conditions for that unforgettable crispy skin. Sometimes, great cooking isn't just about heat and seasoning. It's about time, patience, and a very dry fridge.